Yes, I do. Because
Just stop the stories already.
Good morning, guys. It's been a while that I don't vlog. Today I think it's Monday, but I don't know what. Hold on. I think it's December 22. Oh my God, 3 days more to go. It's Christmas, and yeah. Good morning, and right now the time is what time is it? Time check is 10:17 p.m. and look at my toe cut, it's like crazy. Anyway, I'm doing my makeup here because my husband's in the bathroom. I usually do my makeup in the bathroom. And yeah, so good morning to you all and see you later. Hey, behave. Behave. I'll show you what they're doing. Behave. Psst. I will do a shout out later, and I have a few subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing, and I will mention you later. We're in the car again. My husband is here driving. And we're heading to Costco. I'm sorry guys about, it's it's already a month that I don't vlog. It's been a while. Oops.
Stop for that fucking stop sign.
He doesn't?
He would have just fucking hit me. We almost did for him.
Say good morning, honey.
Morning, honey.
There you go again.
But Christmas balloons deflated.
Oh yeah.
They're dead. That's why I don't like Christmas balloons. I think
They're
they're
dead.
buy real decorations.
It's almost Christmas. 3 more days to go. It's Christmas. Where are we going?
Costco.
Yeah, but okay. Start traffic. I believe that Costco will be so busy today because Christmas is coming to town. Ouch. This deli here is gonna be open soon, and our diner, we're gonna try that diner right there when they're open. We have to take a cab and have lunch here, but I don't know when that will be. This is where you went to, right? Ashley and Party City. Costco is in a weird area. Oh my God, hon. It's very full. Yeah, every part, there's the parking space supposedly in this area here. There's no cars, but now we don't have a choice because we need to get a ham.
Get the ham and some wine. There's a lot of stuff to get from here. What else are we supposed to be getting from here?
Waterbed. Holy cow, it's so freaking weird out here. My husband is looking for lights, but I don't understand why she wants lights. Look at that, guys. It's a nice kitchen. I like yellow lights. Nice. But if you see it from here, I like that. And this is the light they're selling. What are you looking for that for? Yellow lights. You don't like yellow. Oh, holy cow, look at them. Oh, I like it.
It's but these are LEDs. They're not incandescent.
Wow, it's nice.
I'd like to replace the ones in the living room with those.
The living room?
Inside the ceiling?
Yeah. No. How much is it?
$15
I'm looking for airbed too, guys. But I can't find any airbed here. They have it before, and now they don't have it. I guess they're not selling it anymore. Huh?
It's pretty bright for LED. Look how fucking bright
Yeah,
it is.
it's blind me.
Yeah.
Seafoods. My husband is trying the tasting thing. And this is what is this? And they have a rig. He wants to decide. I don't know. He's following me right now. He wanna get it. I don't understand. Tuxedo chocolate mousse. What is that? It's just tuxedo. Yeah.
Look at mousse.
It's a mousse. It's a bouncy mousse. And you're gonna ruin your mousse.
Because these things have to come out of here.
Yes, but you are so like careless, honey. My husband gave me this post-it. This is what I've been wanting, guys. Why it doesn't focus at all? Huh? Let's go. We don't need anything. This here, butter croissants. It's a butter croissants. I don't know where's my husband. I'm looking for him. Good. Too much bread in here. Chips. Oh no, we're going to get the chips in Stop and Shop because they don't have a good one here. Sea salt. Oh my God, no. Egg straw. Goldfish. Cheese it. Pop chips. See with the shrimp. 3 bags. 3 bags.
Salad. I told Andy I'd make it. Andy will make people. But he likes shrimp cocktails, so I told him I'd make it one.
Okay.
Oh, see, now they have the rack.
What?
Look, now they have all the rack.
Oh no, they
A lot
have it.
cheaper.
How much is it here? $2 bucks?
$9.90.
Holy cow. Yeah, it's a lot cheaper.
They didn't have them the other day.
It's
Unless
crazy.
you just got chocolate.
It's cheap,
It's a lot
guys.
cheaper than what I just said.
My husband got it in Party Cities. It's for $50 bucks. Still going to where is it, hon? Stop. No, ShopRite or Stop and Shop?
ShopRite.
ShopRite.
Rob.
Yeah. Oh my God, it's so busy.
Yes,
and
they still have it.
yeah, if they still have it. Hold on. There's more coming. Oh my God. That area is no more.
We gotta go home first because the frozen stuff is frozen. It won't last shopping.
Oh, what?
The frozen stuff has to get back in.
Yeah, we have to go home first. And what else? Oh.
Brakes are acting funny.
Huh?
Brakes are acting funny. Stuff really good.
The truth is, I saw things. Okay, the first
you
thing.
saw it. That's the truth.
Yeah, I saw it.
You went like this and looked right at it.
Listen,
The question is the
first I put my head down and look through what it is. I know there's something you put in there, so I saw the Colgate, and then I said there is the box, there is box, and then the other side there's the name in it. So I have to look what it is, and then when you said don't, and then I don't see it, so I know there is something in there that you don't want me to say, but I don't know what it is.
Hon? This was your face, okay? This was you.
Yes, I do.
Hon? Just stop the story already.
No, it's not. I'm laughing because you think like you do like that. You don't want me to say it. My cat is in my husband's back.
Oh, so parried. You parried in my ears.
It's in my husband's behind. Behind. We're home, guys.
We gotta pick up apples.
What are you planning to do?
We're running low on apples.
Or what are you making? A lot of things. You have a lot in your head,
Some
hon.
smoothies, hon.
But that's enough for now.
No, we're running low. There's only like 4 left. Yeah.
What?
iPad.
Where's the iPad?
It's in front of your face.
Oh. Oh my god.
Ooh, I play with the chandelier.
Are you kidding me, Hobbs? This cat is so spoiled. He can do whatever. Now he put his butt in daddy's head. Ew, Hobbs. Ew. Here's my husband right there. You can see his face because there's
I can close this now, right?
the good looking husband I have. Do 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 do. Picky picky. Hi, Hobbs. Hobbs is right there, look.
Hey, little cutie bug.
It's
Hey, little
speaking.
cutie bug.
Hobbs. Oh, anyway, guys, I will show you my, my cross stitch. I've been doing my cross stitch, as you know. That's what I've been doing lately. Hi, guys. This is the cross stitch. What I did. Yeah. And this woman here is not done on this side here. It's not easy. It's hard. It kills my back. Oh, anyway, I would like to shout out to the people who subscribe me. Hold on, guys. I have to open my laptop first. Spoiled up the boy. Spoiled up the boy. Spoiled, spoiled. Spoiled up the boy. Okay, thank you for subscribing me, Kobe Bryant, Clark Silmar, and Jen Balsamo. Janine. Is that Janine Balsamo? Eloisa Kipil. Okay. I'm sorry about the phone, guys. Eloisa Kipil, Jasmine Haviliana, and Catherine Quinto, Taborno Catherine, Nini B621, Maureen Byrne. Is that how you read it? Byrne. Park Yunzang DG. Sorry, guys. You know who you are. This one here. Ana Eliamido. Patot de la Cruz. GC Jacobs. Ili Mitch. Christopher Torres. Jillian Cañete. I think this is Cañete. Ruina Elido. Anthony Ranieri. And Steve Frisley. And Michaela Turner, Romeo Zapanta,
Hey.
Monica Gandahan, Mafi De La Torre, Eric Caragal, Jeannie Alvarez, Annaline's Worlds. I think I read you guys. This is all of you. Thank you for subscribing me so very much. I appreciate it. And yeah, I've been out on vlogging for a few days, of a few weeks. It's a month already. I think it's over a month. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. Who put these treats down here? Your son, right? Your son is annoying. I'm doing, what are you looking at? How to cook? We're gonna have a Christmas party in December 25th here. What are you doing, Hubby boy? I get the package for my husband's gift. And I have to open it. Let's see. can open it. This is what I got for him, guys. I can't even show it to him because he's here. Look, this one here. I don't know if you can see it. It's 4:30 already, guys, and then we spend this whole day in shopping. Crazy out there. Plus, we still have to stop somewhere.
Yeah. Coffee shop and the liquor store.
I have to help my husband to put all this in the cart. Hold on, guys. Are you cooking it tonight?
When?
Okay.
Gotta get something out of the way. We'll see. Because I'm tired. Maybe I'll let Grandma do the property robbing.
We spent the whole day shopping, guys. It's 5-something o'clock already. And we're still on the road. But we're on the way home. I don't put the camera towards my face because it's dark. Guys, we just finished having our dinner. I'm just gonna fold the laundry here.